People are all different, every heart, every face. Every life was painted by amazing grace. Some speak with words, some speak through smiles, teaching us love in unexpected styles. Nikainona neziso revanu, ichipota zvipo zvinobva kudenga. They measure with labels, numbers and names, but God sees beauty beyond earthly frames. If we slow down long enough to see, they are changing you and changing me. Lessons sent from heaven above. They are angels walking here on earth, showing every soul what love is worth. Heaven placed them in our lives to lead, teaching hearts the things we truly need. Not broken, not less, exactly who they're meant to be. God's greatest lessons often come kuburikita nevanava singaoneki. They remind us to be patient, to celebrate the smallest things, to find joy inside a moment, to hear the hope that silence sings. They simply love with open hearts, just the way our Father does. Maybe they were never sent here to become like us. Maybe we were always meant to become more like them. Kuregerera pasina migano, to love without judgment. Kutenda yuzingati, to see every soul through the eyes of God. They are angels walking here on earth, a living picture of our Savior's love. They remind us what truly matters, not success or wealth, but hearts surrender. One day this world will understand the miracle that has always been. God sent His angels wrapped in little hands to teach humanity how to love again. So when you meet a child the world does not understand, Tarisas vakare, look a little closer. You just might be standing in the presence of one of God's greatest gifts. NGIROZI Pakati Pedu, sent from heaven, teaching us how to love again.